Hi, my name is Kaylee Rose, and I am the proud creator of Music with a Message. Music with a Message is an empowering music assembly that brings confidence to your audience. We bring empowering original music into schools in order to help raise self-confidence and prevent bullying. We do this through original music on the keyboard, tracks that kids get to have dance parties to. We bring in live musical instruments that they get to play. We have moments in songs where they get to shout out, "I'm one of the brave ones." And we also have moments after my songs stand up where we talk about what it means to stand up for yourself or others. One of my favorite moments of my Music with a Message assemblies is my song Brave Ones. During Brave Ones, kids sing or speak out loud the chorus, "I'm one of the brave ones." We also do power poses, affirmations, and we teach kids all about positive thinking through music. It's really beautiful to see all of these kids adopt this song and become a brave one. We have this assembly for preschool, elementary, middle, and high school. It's different at every age. I teach my WOW principles to building self-confidence. I teach them skills to prevent bullying, and this is different at every age. So in elementary school, we focus more on the music and the WOW principles. In middle school, it's growth mindset, and in high school, it's entrepreneurial leadership skills and how to build your dream life and your dream self. I would love to bring Music with a Message to your school.